So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Sharkhead coin here. Okay, its price prediction as measures and likes and listing because this meme coin is also very unique meme coin. This meme coin has definitely potential to be the next big meme coin in Solana ecosystem here. Okay, Sharkhead's name SC is symbol. Okay, you can see current price is 0.02 dollars that drop by almost 19% here. But maybe when you watch this video, its price can be pumped more here because right now this coin is nearly its all-time low here. Okay, and friends, you can see current market cap is just $20 million only. Okay, only $20 billion market cap meme coin, and last 24-hour trading volume is good, $3.3 million. Okay, so trading volume is no doubt good. Total supply, max supply nearly 1 billion, all in circulation. So this is awesome. This coin is facing its first one, its all supply is in circulation. So there's no more token left to come in circulation in future. So I think this is good and positive thing about this coin is working on Solana chain. As I already show you, this is a Cathy meme coin on Solana chain. This is good. You can also check out all further details on their website. You can see 20,000 holders, more than 20,000 holders. Okay, on Solana chain, this is good. Number of holders good because coin is not too much old. You can see this is the Cathy meme coin on Solana chain. Just one day ago, this meme coin has make its all-time low from where we are just 20% up, and its all-time high was just 4 months ago, $0.3 from where we are 94% down. Okay, we are 94% down than its all-time high, so this is good. Okay, I think this price, okay, right now is the best buying opportunity for us. Okay, if anyone wants to invest in this meme coin, I think this price can be the good to get entry in this coin because already 94% down. Okay, and friends, you can see this coin is already listed on to many central exchanges. You can see MEXC has listed, Bitmart has listed, CoinX has listed, and Lbank has also listed this coin. And these are the Solana dexes where this coin is listed. But I think in coming months maybe we can see is many other major central exchange listing also when crypto market will be recovered, because right now BTC has also dumped here. Okay, and you can read out all further details on their website. You can copy his contract address. Okay, official contract address on their official website. Coin is looking very cute. You can see. Okay, you can buy this coin. You can check out chart here. You can follow them on X, on Telegram. Okay, and on Dex tool you can check out chart and all other details. Okay, so friends, I think definitely this coin has potential to be the next big meme coin, to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. Okay, as current market cap is just $20 million, so this meme coin has definitely potential to be the next big meme coin, to be the next $1 billion meme coin. And definitely we can see its major central exchange listing also is already listed on MEXC, Bitmart, Lbank. So maybe Gas.io, Bybit, and KuCoin can also list this coin when crypto market will be recovered again. Okay, and maybe we can see another massive boom in crypto market for meme coins. Then definitely this meme coin can also perform really amazing, and then definitely we can see its major likes in listing also, and this coin can break its all-time high and make a new all-time high here. And from still I'm not holding this coin, but definitely I'm going to buy this coin. Okay, but in very short amount, as I already told you in my every video, that invest very less amount in meme coins because investing in meme coins is highly risky. So you have to take just very low risk here. Okay, so maybe I'm going to buy soon this coin, and I think its market cap can goes in $1 billion in this coming mega bull run. And definitely we can see its major central exchange listing within just 2 to 3 months. Okay, because near November we can see Bitcoin's all new all-time high also, and at that time definitely we can see meme coins boom again, and then this coin can be listed on major central exchanges, and if we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. But your price prediction about this coin, you can must comment down below. Are you holding this or no? You can must comment down below.